Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock POCO M7 Plus without the password. Alright, so we have two methods how we can do it on our own. For the first method, let's pretend that this phone isn't locked, but basically each step that I'm going to show you for the first method, you need to repeat on any other device because, you know, this one will be locked. So, we need to open up our Chrome and we need to visit FindHub. You can see it right in here. So, click on FindHub. Also, you need to log in into the same Google account on which you were logged in on your POCO. And also this option only works when allow this phone to be found feature is enabled. Okay, so as you can see in here we have a list of our devices. And this is our device. I cannot show you when I click on that, but I'll show you an example on the Galaxy. So select your POCO on any other device, then click on the settings, and below we have the factory reset device. Thanks to that, we are able to turn off the screen lock, but basically we lose all of our data. That's the only way. You cannot do it without losing the data. Or if you have a backup, you can always restore your data. Alright, so that's the first method. Simply click on factory reset device, then type the password to your Google account. And if you do everything properly, your device will be turned off, then it will be turned on again automatically. And the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. So that's the first method. Now let's go straight into the second one. So for the second method, we normally use our device. So we want to unlock our device, but we cannot remember the password. And what to do? Let's power off our device first. Click the power button and volume up. And select power off. And now we need to enter the recovery mode. We do it by holding the power button and volume up button at the same time. So keep holding both of the buttons. When the logo appears, release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume up. Okay, and now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we use the volume keys. We need to select wipe data, then click on the power button to confirm. Now select wipe all data. In this method you will also lose all of your data, so have that in mind. Click the power button. Now select confirm. Now the process has started, so we need to wait until it's finished. Okay, data wiped successfully. Click back to main menu. Now select the reboot to system, and now we need to simply wait until everything gets turned on. And the next thing we need to do is to simply set up our device. Alright, that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.